Welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is speaking about the situation with Anna and Maya. Now, Dwayne is making it clear that only salvation lasts forever. And as we all know, that's the only thing that lasts forever. Everything else is just ups and downs, or, there's problems somewhere around. But he is explaining that he also was a part of, some projects that was done. And you will hear that in his intro. Now let's go ahead and listen to what he has to say and what Hannah has to say about Maya.
I have had the privilege to be a part of several projects on your platform. Not a lot, several. And every single one I've had the privilege to be a part of, whether I put in 100 or whatever, I'm very sure the task was fully completed. Understand? And you see in life, God gives the strongest soldiers the hardest fight. Always remember that. God gives the strongest soldiers the hardest fight. All right? With that being said, only and only the good salvation lasts forever. I know if you are truly a woman of God or a church going person, you know these sayings I'm saying to you. Only salvation, only the good salvation, mind you, will last forever. 1 minute we're there, and next minute, like a zephyr. Try your best to always, people of social media, try your best to ensure whenever it's your time or my time to depart this earth, try to leave a legacy behind you where people can say, I remember the good that Donette, Flex, Sharon, Anna, Donna, Porty, all of you has done. Yes, listen, I call those names because I'm just drawing names out of thin air, right? Always want people to remember you for the good things you've done. Always. When some of us die, we're not gonna, no one's gonna remember us. No one. Nobody. You see the light is dropping now because they want me to come out here and act an idiot and, speak negative on certain people. I will speak negative at times, but it's not every day I want to be a part of that narrative. And this is one of those narrative I don't wish to come out and speak bad about this person because they really have done an awesome job. They have. Even if them take $1, 2 or 3, they did an awesome job. But anyways, people, I'm here to break it. Anna have decided to close shop. And Anna, girl, you can walk away from this experience, and you can walk away with your head held high, because you really went above and beyond. I have not seen Apart from, and as much as this person don't like me, and I don't like them, I have never seen a platform holder, minus Anna, taken a shear and cut someone's hair. Only Erica I've seen done that. Only Porty and Anna. Everyone else on the platform, I've never seen them got down and dirty. And I say that with no apology. No apology. Zero. I'm going to say again, only Porty.
What you just heard was Dwayne giving credit to the landlord Erica and to Anna, for getting down and dirty and, cutting someone's hair, because they have done that on their platforms, as a person that gives back to the needy, the poor and needy. They have gone above and beyond, he's saying. So just listen to what else he has to say. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Erica, landlord. Call her name big bad about girl, go and cuss me. Cause enough time I cuss out the blouse and skirt, go and cuss me. Only Porty and Anna me say take cutters and shave our people here. Respectfully. Anyways. Anna have decided to close shop.
It's really sad that it came to this and that Anna has decided to close her charity because, she's been doing so much for so much people and it's a sad situation. I hope that she will reconsider it and that she will keep going because God gave her the challenges and, the patience to work with people who are in need. And it's a blessing for her and it's a blessing for the persons that she has blessed so far. So I hope that she will continue to, do the project, notwithstanding that, she felt a way about the situation with Maya. But sometimes God put, you know, obstacles in our way so that we can get over it to go to the next level that he has provided for us, or the next level that he has for us. So I'm hoping that she will continue, so that she could get to the next level, to bigger and greater things. And just listen to what she has to say and what Dwayne has to say on this video.
I don't come to say much. I had just come to say two look cent and keep it moving. Because me not about for lippings, Me not talking. You understand? You see the word about talking? Me not in the word about talking. I'm not in it. Anything that I do, I have receipts for them. Anything that I do. Any project that I do on the charity platform, I have receipts for everything that was purchased. Everything that was purchased. I have receipt for them. So guess what? I am ready, fully equipped and ready for any boy or any girl or any woman or any man. You ready for me? You're ready for me. You understand? Yes. That's all I have to say. Take it to the court. If you know that somebody, right, take something from you, somebody take something from you, somebody scam something from you, nobody with the whole heap of lippings. That is not going to justify anything. You're not going to get any justice for that. Take the person to the court. Make police lock them up. Take them to the court. Yes. Take the person to the court. That's who we back. So I am not reading. Me not read. Nobody comment. Because I don't come to argue with nobody. I'm not come to steal them. A facts, evidence, and law me I talk about. If you know that Mary scam you or rob you, take Mary to the court. Because you have to have your proof. Have to have your proof. And guess what happened? Nobody is bigger than the law. Nobody. No bigger than the law. So me no more powerful and mighty than the law. Take the person to the court. This it's not gonna help. Take the person to the court with your evidence and your proof. The person rob you, the person scam you, the person take something from you, take the person to the court. That's all I have to say.
You know what? We're gonna listen to Maya's bit after, and only can talk to the man on it too. You know, my point still stands about what I say. When I'm gonna put it left in there, simple.
No, I don't think I'm going any further. I know that some persons going to say, oh, you're going to make them win, you're going to make the devil win, you're going to make this, you're going to make that. Ain't nobody going to win anything here. Ain't nobody going to win anything here. No devil now win nothing here, so. When the shoes is on your foot, it burns different. It really burns different when it is on your foot. Now, if it is not on your foot, you will never know what it feels like. So pack up now.
When she pack up now, she done.
Ask the permission from nobody.
She done.
I am very, 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 very sorry for disappointing, you know. You understand me? But it is so distasteful and it's just too much. It's just too much, right? Charnel down there and Charnel needed. She gone so far. Even I have a receipt right over there, so where the hardware
no one
gives me
wins.
the material to put on the bathroom side.
No one wins.
To pay them next week. Then give me the material because the man did already there and me ask.
Girl still lag on the house. Still lag on the house. I hope they can pick it up now and finish it.
I'm going to call the man and ask him say. I
Lord
not owe you
Jesus
anything, you know my
Christ.
name. I not take anything from you down there. What I not take? Him know me take. Because me did the pan like that about the bathroom roofing. The kitchen one, the material did they put on the kitchen, but me never have to put on the bathroom. And me did the pan live and ask. So, everybody knows me did the pan live and ask. You understand me? And a sister Elaine alone did send $100. Sister Elaine alone did send $100. After that, the $100 is still here. You understand me? And I'm pretty sure that Sister Elaine can tell me what she want to do with that $100. After me next sister, they plan to buy when I do a weekend at home. Me not have no other money for Charnel from nobody at all. So only the hardware forget him money with on the receipt and the workman. And guess what happened? God will provide. Because he take me through Wally.
Thank you for the
He's
star.
going to take me through this too. He's going to take me through this too. Trust me. He will make a way. But I don't think, you see the rate of how things are going, I don't think this is something that I really need to continue with. I don't think it is something that I really need to continue with. Because guess what happened? Nobody now gonna make me can focus on female work and female business when me do. Me have female work and female business to do, and me now gonna make nobody stress my brain so me can focus, and it is really bitter and distasteful. Jesus. My God. Let every word of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, mighty God, and no other sight but yours. I'm trying. I'm trying, I'm trying, I'm trying, I'm trying. Lord, let every words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart, ooh, be acceptable in your sight. It's really rough, Father God, when you want to say some things and you are trying to do the right, so you can't go down certain parts. My. Really rough when you want to say some things and you are trying to live.
Thank you for watching, and as always, live good, love God, and be happy. Have a wonderful day.